Is Coco being silly? Huh? Coco. Is he silly? Coco, what you doing? Is Coco making you laugh? Call Coco. Say, here, Coco. Here, Coco, Coco. Coco. Oh, Coco. Where's Coco? Hello, Coco. Coco's cute. See Coco. Coco. And then he'll come see you. Or not. See Coco. Hi, Zia. Zia. Is that a turtle? Is that a turtle? Hello, Zia. Yeah, Coco makes you scream, eh? Hi, Coco. Coco got big ears. Call Coco. Here, Coco. Come here, Coco. Come on. I won't hurt you. Tell Coco come see you. See, Coco's more relaxed now. What about if we push you closer? Hi, Coco. Oh. Coco's gonna get your feet. Coco's gonna get your feet. Yeah. See, Coco's sniffing your toes. You don't see that. Careful, he doesn't bite. Coco. Coco, play with the baby, Coco. Hi, Coco. Hello, Coco. Isaiah's mad. See, Coco. It's Maddie. Oh, it's Richard.